What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. What a beautiful day, guys. We had exactly what we were looking for here with this gap up today on SPY. Was able to bank over $7,000 today. Just an amazing day. I'm going to be walking you guys through everything. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. First, though, let me shout out to some of you guys right now. Please let me know where you're tuning in from tonight. Let me throw you up on the screen for being here. I appreciate you coming out for some education. And if we have any Trading Wars Army members in the house, please hit me with the Trading Wars Army right now. So where are you guys tuning in from tonight? Where are you guys checking me out from? Just an amazing day, guys. Look at this gap. Gap and go. Very, very clean. So we have Junior from Philly. What's going on? Edgar from East Vale. What's going on? YM from Miami. What's going on? Ali from Redmond. What's going on? Chris from Texas. What's going on? Otis with the Trading Wars Army. Michael with the Trading Wars Army. Melly from Singapore. What's going on? Adriana with the Trading Wars Army. Thank you so much. I love my Army members. Tom, Arizona. Chad, Boston. One more. Boom, 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 boom. Hit me with one more. Let's make it a special place. Anybody from Las Vegas? I'm visiting Las Vegas next week. Anybody from Las Vegas in the house right now? Do we have Nevada in the house? Anybody? Anybody? Going once, going twice. So the last one we're going to throw up here. Oh, there we go. Jesse Funk from Las Vegas. I love it. I love it. All right, guys. So let's start off with SPY. All right, let's start off with the swing trade. So what were we talking about, guys? All week last week, what were we talking about? We're talking about that we had this very rare pattern. We had outside, inside, outside. And essentially that pattern, guys, has not been on the chart for, I think, over a good year. The last time this pattern was here, I believe, was in 2019. So, a good while ago. And like I said, what the purposes of these patterns are, guys, when you have outside, inside, outside like this is a trap. It's just a trap. It's looking to trap as much traders as possible and then to have a climax. And today we got the climax, guys. It was absolutely beautiful. Boom. Siphon 10. Welcome to the Trading Wars Army, brother. I appreciate that. All right. So let's recap the swing. But first of all, let me ask you a question. How many of you guys banked today? Because I banked on the swing trade and the day trade today. So hit me with a 1 if you banked. Hit me with a 2 if you didn't bank. All right. If you didn't bank, guys, you're doing something wrong. Something very wrong. So let me see. All right. I see a lot of 1s. That's good. That's what I want to see. Beauty. All right. So first thing, let's look at the swing trade. So the swing trade that we did right here, guys, this was posted back on December 5th. Okay. So December 5th was Sunday night. All right. So let me explain to you how this works. So Sunday night, we did the scans, we did the setups, and we found that we had the pattern, right? This pattern that we're looking for. So the entry to the upside here, guys, was 459.16. So let me go ahead and draw that line. Okay, so let me go ahead and draw it right here. 459.16, this white line, okay? So if we go to the 5-minute chart, we could see. So right at the end of yesterday, guys, we got filled on the swing. And this is the power of swing trading, because a lot of times in the market, the moves will actually happen overnight. And that comes from, manipulation. That comes from other foreign markets. That comes from, the big boys running it up overnight and leaving you with the breadcrumbs during the day. But you'll see, I'll show you here, even though we had a gap up today, there was still money to be made on the day trade. So right here, this white line is where we got filled on the swing trade. And then today, guys, we had the beautiful gap up, as you can see today, which pushed up to an amazing new high. So we're able to hit 70% return on these calls, guys. And check this out. these calls we have until December 23rd. So, you know, if SPY really wants to get going, and it breaks into new all-time highs and it keeps pushing, right? We're gonna be very well prepared for a great push. If not, we'll still be able to bank, right? We scale out a little bit, put the stop loss to break even, and see where it can go. And that's how you take swings, guys. You look for the daily chart, the weekly chart. You look for the bigger picture time frames to set up patterns, right? And I always show you guys this. Like I've been showing you this all year round. Outside bar short, outside bar long, outside bar long, inside bar long. We've been playing these bars, guys, all year. And then this pattern right here, guys, like I was mentioning, was just a beauty, right? Just a beauty. Very rare pattern. We had the trigger yesterday and the gap today. Beautiful money was made. All right. So hit me with the 3 if you understand and follow the swing trade. Pretty straightforward, guys. Like I don't need to complicate things. Everything that I do is fully transparent and simple. We have a pattern, we take the trigger. We got filled on the trigger, we hold. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. Okay? It's as simple as that, right? If we make money, we make money. We don't need to make things complicated at all. We do not need to make things complicated. We keep it simple. All right? So now let me take you into the SPY room and let me walk you through the setups today. So what I took today, guys, was the opening range breakout, right? And you guys know, obviously, I love these gap ups. So right here, I'm going to start you guys off through the room. Let's hit the replay today and let me walk you through everything. So here's a 3-minute chart. First bar comes in, bam. Okay. So nice little bullish bar. So right here, this is the morning, 9:29. Swing trade paid with this gap up. Let's dip our toe in the water. We'll take the orb 3, 5, 15 minute. Starting off with the 3-minute here, looking for a break of the bar. Let's see. 5-minute bar closing in 1 minute. Long. So got filled long right here on the 3-minute. You could see the next bar fills. Okay. So it did take a little bit of heat. You could see that it pulled back just a little bit. And then from there, guys, that's pretty much all she wrote. Beautiful. So the next setup we had that I also called out was this 3-minute inside bar. So some members missed the opening range breakup, but we had this 3-minute IB. Great push here, guys. Scale out on 3-minute IB. SPY VIP, let's go. Another great push. Scale out here. Leave runners only. Hitting another scale out. Some partials left. Some 3-minute IB. Beautiful. Feels good to be green. The first 15 minutes of the days. Who's winning with us, guys? We crushed it, man. Just been on a rampage lately. I mean, this has been one of the craziest winning streaks I've had in a long time. Obviously, it's not going to last, and I'll be the first one to tell you that. But as it comes, guys, I'm just going to take it. But look at these beautiful 3-minute inside bars. This one was a winner. This one was a winner. This one was a winner, guys. You can't really ask for more than that. It's just really clean. Then after that, guys, on the 5-minute, we had the 5-minute opening range breakout, which was a winner as well. And then we had the 15-minute opening range breakout, which was a winner. Guys, honestly, check this out, man. Hold on a second here. Hold on. I keep telling you guys. I keep telling you guys, don't play games. We don't play games. We don't play games, guys. We focus. We take our setups, win or lose. Win or lose, it doesn't matter. We're here every single day. We take our setups. We put our money on the line, guys, to get a better life every single day. We push forward. It doesn't matter if I'm a millionaire, you're a millionaire. It's all about getting better every single day. That's what I'm obsessed with. I'm obsessed with getting better. That's why I still trade. I don't need to. Trust me when I say I don't need to trade anymore. Okay, I'm a successful CPA outside of this world. I don't need to trade. I don't need to, but trust me, I do it because I love the game. I love it. I love getting better. I just love it. I'm in love with getting better. I love it. So let me just show you guys right here. I'm gonna show you guys something. All right, 1 sec. So you guys think I'm playing around all the time. Hold on, let me take a screenshot right here. See this? See that? That's the work that we put in, guys. We put in that work all the time. Look at these. Opening range breakout, 3, 5, and the 15. This is how I know when to use the setups, because I know when we have an edge, when we don't have an edge. Okay? My brother Sean with the super sticker, $1.49. Thank you, my brother. Appreciate that. All right. And then let's go to the 5. I'm just going to fast forward. So after the opening range breakouts, we had an outside bar, which was a fail. We had this inside bar, which was a good push up, and then we went sideways. So as you guys can see, I usually focus my trading in the first hour or two of the day. And especially when you have a gap up like this, at some point, we're going to chop. And the reason is because the market is not going to go straight up vertically. It's never going to do that. It's all, look, if we are already up 2% on the day for the SPY, that's a lot. So you can't expect that this thing is just going to just keep ramping. And that's a mistake that a lot of noob traders make. If you're going to catch it, you want to catch these gaps in the morning, okay? Catch these gaps in the morning and then leave the runners on. That's the best way to do it, all right? Beautiful. So hit me with the 5 if you follow me there on SPY. Hit me with the 4 for the 4 horsemen. Hit me with the Trading Wars Army from all my army members, and let's keep this party rolling, guys. Let's keep this party rolling. We had some amazing swing trades. I want to share those with you guys before I forget. All right. So here is the swing trading log for December. Let's do this together, and I'm going to update it with you so we can learn, so I can teach you. So we had some hybrid trades this week. What hybrid trades are? They're essentially outside bars that I'm looking to play both ways. All right. So I'm going to start off with AMD. So this is AMD on the weekly chart. You can see we got filled to the downside right on Monday. So on Monday right here, guys, the puts were filled. So the way that automated options work, automated options, once they are below or above the entry, depending on if you're long or short, they're automatically going to be filled. So let me walk you through this. So for AMD, 143.09 was our trigger to the short side for the December 17, 140 puts. So right on Monday, guys, as soon as we opened, we were filled on the puts. These puts, guys, went from 596 to 820. So offered a great opportunity to make some money to scale out. Now they're back, a little bit in the red, but nonetheless, still great opportunities there, guys. I'm always scaling out as much as I can. And now we're filled on the weekly chart for the shorts. Okay. So our stop is up here. So we're going to be waiting for that to see when that plays out. Marvel. Okay. So the short on Marvel did not fill this week. So I'm just going to put closed like this. And let me just show you guys this chart. So this is another example of options that triggered automatically. So you could see, guys, right here, this is Monday. So on Monday, as soon as we gap up, we got filled on the calls. That was it. We got filled on the December 17th, 90 calls at $1.71. Today, we had a great push higher. They're now worth $4.25. Okay, they're at a high. They were at a high at $4.25. So I'm closing the short. And also, I'm going to close the long because we're not going to get filled on the long shares either. All right. So we only got filled on the options contracts only. Okay. That's it. Procter and Gamble. So Procter and Gamble, I was looking to get in long again, but it gapped up above the entry. So we weren't able to get filled at all. And because I didn't select any options because I didn't see good volume on the options, we are not involved in Procter and Gamble at all. Okay, so that one is fully closed. Comcast was a loser. It got filled and then got stopped out. So it was just a straight up loser. Texan, I'll show you Comcast actually. This is the daily. So thank God we had a stop loss, right? As soon as we got filled, it turned around and stopped us out. It was done. And then we have Texan. So same thing. Texan, you could see it gapped up above the entry for the long. So instead, actually, did we get filled on this one? Let me check my phone. For sure, I know we got filled on the calls. Let me check if I got filled on the shares. I don't think we did. Texan, no. So I only have the December 17, 200 calls. That's it. So I'm going to close the shares as well. And that the calls gave us a win from 242 to 295. Not something crazy, but still decent. And then BMY is the last one for the swings. And that one, I believe, I think we're still in the trade. I don't think we got stopped out, but we hit partial targets and we took some heat on this for sure. So I'm going to put the options as a loser. Okay. So that's where we are so far for December. Pretty simple. Big move on Marvel right there and AMD in the beginning of the week. And otherwise than that, still waiting to see what everything else is going to do. All right. That's how the swings are. So a lot of you guys, I'm going to be honest with you guys. A lot of you guys don't have any patience for swing trades at all. You want to be in the SPY with me in the morning, and you want to be looking at the commentary, and you want to be like, you want to feel like you're in the market. And I'll say, while that is great, right? You still have to understand that there's good money to be made on swing trades. So just you need to have a mixture of day trades and swing trades to really succeed. I always tell people that because look, you see how we took the SPY swing trade yesterday? If we did not take the swing trade, guys, we made some money on this gap up, but we made all of this money just by holding it overnight. Okay? We made all of that money holding it overnight. And that's what happens in the market. Sometimes the market makers, they like to run it up. You see that? They like to run it up overnight. It happens all the time. Okay, let me ask you guys, how many times have you seen the market makers run it up or run it down overnight? We wake up with a big gap up or we wake up with a big gap down. How many times have you seen that? Hit me with the one if you've seen that enough. Beauty. Beauty, guys. What do we have for the picks? Let's see. Oops. Guys, like there's no need to play around, guys. I'm trying to really emphasize that. You look at SPY, we have a setup, you take it. You want to take the orb, you take it. You want to take the fib, you take it. You get a setup on the daily chart, you want to take it, you take it. If you're living in fear, especially when it comes to trading, you will never make money. You cannot be in fear and make money in trading. It doesn't work. All right, so let's go to the list. So let me add these: Microsoft, DraftKings, AMC, and what was the last one? Oracle. All right, so I'm not going to spend too much long. I mean, everything is going to pretty much have the same setup as SPY, right? So Microsoft, guys, Microsoft was even a little bit easier than SPY because Microsoft gave you that 5-minute inside bar right off the gap up. I mean, if you guys are not playing that, then I don't know what I'm teaching you guys. So beautiful. Gap up, inside bar, bam. Beautiful money, man. Very simple. Next, AMC, same thing, guys. This gap up did not take out the previous day's high, but nonetheless, guys, check this out. All right, one second. Check this out, okay? Check this out. All right. You want, okay, hold on a second. Let's go here. Here are the alerts from the bot. AMC inside bar, AMC inside bar. Beautiful. So you take this one. Okay, that's a W. You take this one, that's a W. You take this one, that's a W. Okay, no problem. You want to take a Nirvana? Here's a Nirvana. That's a W. You want to take this inside bar here? That's a W. You want to take this one over here? That's a W. Guys, look, do you guys understand what I'm showing you right here? This is insane. This is insane. Ragnarok, okay, that's not really a W, but, flat. And then this guy here into the close. Never trade last 15 minutes into the close. Guys, like this. You guys see what I'm showing you here? Does anybody understand this? All of these setups are all opportunities for you to make money. We don't need fancy stuff, guys. We see the bar, we take a bar by bar approach. That's going to be, I'm going to get a tattoo on my back. Bar by bar approach. If you ever see a guy with a tattoo that says bar by bar approach, that's me. Like, look at these opportunities, guys. It's just insane. It's mind-blowing. Something so simple, but so powerful. Boom. Rob's FinTech. What's going on, brother? Welcome to the Trading Wars Army. I appreciate you. Hit me with the 7 right now if your mind is blown. Hit me with the 7 right now if your mind is blown. And just to make your mind blown even more, let me draw a fib right here from low to high. Right on the 618, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Boom. Pull back to the 618. Bam. Just crazy. I don't even know sometimes why I'm on here, guys. I shouldn't even be on here right now. It's crazy. So for people that don't believe that the algorithms are trading these stocks, this is evidence right here. Oracle. So Oracle did not gap up, really, guys. This was an inside open in the middle. No, you guys know what I like to do with inside opens in the middle, right? We take it from the low to the high like this. Oh, no, he didn't do it again. Is that the 50% retracement? Oh my God, I'm gonna have to turn off this stream. Manifestation portal, $4.99. How do I get my inside bars to look like that? Mine look blue and not yellow. All right, brother. All you got to do right here, brother, in the indicator, just go to this settings, and you can change the colors right here. You can change them right here. All right? You can even take off the Bollinger Bands if you don't want those. I keep telling you guys, we open in the middle. We open in the middle of the range. So what do? We take the Fibonacci, we put it on the low to the high. We have this is what we call the prior day's range. We stack it, we get the 50. Look at this. Touch it one time. The algorithm is sleeping there. The algorithm is sleeping. The algorithm is like Sleeping Beauty right here. And then bam, once that Prince Charming comes right there, bam, it's gone. TradingWars.com, guys. If you don't have this book, I don't know what to tell you. This is the best thing since sliced bread right here. Drill down method. Drill down method, guys. $99.99 comes with 1 month for free in the swing room and Discord. You get the Nirvana, the golden indicators for life, just like the NWO, okay? And 75 detailed charts with videos. Like, man. It's insane, man. I'm telling you. I think I'm going to have to raise the price and everything after this stream. I can't do it anymore. I can't. I'm going to have to raise the price. Everything's going to be a minimum $999. I can't. Because all these other guys out there are charging $5,000 to give you a book from the 1950s with charts that are not even relevant to today. I don't know. I don't even know why I do this sometimes. Anyways, guys, last one, DraftKings. This was just hard. Like, we could look at this price action, guys. If you look at the daily chart, we could see it right here. Very difficult. This one was the hardest one of the day. I don't expect anybody to make any money on DraftKings today. Very difficult. Very difficult, guys. So outside of that, Microsoft, easy peasy. AMC, I mean, it gave you 500 opportunities. Oracle, okay, opening in the center, okay, beautiful. And then SPY, as always, I spy with my little eyes some money. That's how we do it, guys. So SPY was very, very clean. All right, guys. So that's it. Do we have any Trading Wars Army members with any questions or any questions or any chart requests for me? Please post them right now. Any questions? Trading Wars Army members? Any chart requests? All right, let's see. CRWD. Okay. So CrowdStrike, guys, pretty much doing the same thing with the market today, a gap up sideways. This gap up wasn't as powerful as SPY and the other indexes. It's really hard to tell with this name right now because we are on this major level of support right over here, right? We're coming into the zone. So this could be a potential double bottom setup here, higher low. This could be on the 886 fib if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. So not there yet. Actually, it might have touched it. Let's see. Yep. So pretty darn close to the 886. Looks like some algos are stepping in right there. What I would say here is just wait for a pattern, right? Wait for, you know, inside bar holy grail or something. You have to remember this name took a big dive and dropped 38%. So at any point there could be bears that are going to try to reshort, which will make it a little bit difficult for the bulls. But I would just wait for your patterns, trade it pattern by pattern. Pins. So pins, same thing, gap up, but the fade on the gap up was a lot steeper than SPY. So you have to watch some of these names, right? The ones that are showing relative strength and the ones that aren't. So SPY didn't get faded this strong, but pins is. So you have to be careful. Is that a bear sign? It could be, right? So be careful. Again, right now, I would just wait for a pattern. I don't see inside or outside bar right now. Just kind of be patient until you get a setup. Okay. Facebook. Same thing, right? Faded. Daily, no pattern. Weekly, no weekly inside. Beautiful. This is great. So let's let Facebook close this week. If Facebook closes with an inside bar on the weekly, is going to be a very powerful play going into next week, especially with this previous all-time high acting as support. That's a powerful setup there, guys. So that could be very, very strong. So let's keep an eye on it. So my brother here wants me to check the fibs. Was it on the 5? Yeah, it looks like it was hugging the, yep, hugging the 618. Boom, 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 all day long. Beautiful. Coco T for life. Welcome to the Trading Wars Army, brother. I appreciate you. So Coco T for life says, just join the army. 2 green days, you earned it. That's how we do. I appreciate that, brother. All right. Let's look at the Nike. Yeah, so Nike, yesterday we had this, I don't even know what this is, but we broke out of it on the open with that gap up, a little bit of an opening range breakout, and now we're fading. Hard to say, man. I'm surprised that a lot of these names are getting faded, so we have to see. Snow, little bit stronger of a gap up and go right here. Nice. Inside bar here, good trades. Then we have this double IB later in the day, which was a nice fade down. So pretty clean. Right now on the daily and the weekly, beautiful. So Snow is setting up for this weekly inside bar, guys. This is a hot pick, okay? So keep your eyes peeled on this. So what did we say? Facebook and Snow, and I think there was another one. I think it was Spotify. Just let's keep our eyes on these because they can close with powerful inside bars on the weekly, and then we can take it from there and go for the trade setups. All right. I see a brother here. How do I join the army? All right, brother, let me show you. So all you got to do, go to the channel. Okay, one sec. I'm going to link it. You just go to the channel here, bro, and you press join. That's all you got to do. Okay? Let me link it in there. Beauty. So what was I going to say? Oh, yeah. I'm happy to see the army is growing. I mean, we've all been banking. Let's just hope that this continues for the next week or so, because I keep warning you guys. Remember, I'm telling you this. At some point, the volume is going to dry up going into the holidays, and it's going to be very untradeable. Okay? It'll be more for swings. More for beautiful swings, guys. Okay. All right. Well, that's it, man. I want to thank you guys for being here. I appreciate you. I mean, I've been giving away these patterns, guys, on my streams all the time. So even if you're not in the VIP, that's totally fine. You can learn from just watching this. The VIP is for the community. It's for the people that support me. It's for the people that want to see what I'm doing live. Okay. If you're interested, guys, like I said, you can get a copy of the books, and then that'll give you 1 month free in a room of your choice. Or you can sign up here, guys, for the stock room or the SPY trading room right here. Okay, so sign up for SPY right there, $39 a month. Make sure you fill out the form, and I'll give you access right away. Okay, I'll get a bunch done tonight, and I usually get people in less than 24 hours, usually a few hours. Okay. All right, guys, that's it for me. Remember this. All right. Let's just do Moderna real quick for brother Jonathan. He's asking here. So Moderna definitely showing a lot of weakness, right? Because the market gapped up today and it didn't. So have to keep an eye on that. Really look for the weekly or the daily to set up with new setups. The last thing I want to say is this. So it seems like a lot of you guys are interested in the trading psychology, right? A lot of you guys are interested in trading psychology for part 3, which is going to be this Sunday. So this Sunday, we're going to have part 3 of how to trade SPY for a living. It's been doing really well, the series. And I've seen a lot of you guys want trading psychology. So let me ask you a question about this. Okay. So trading psychology is a big topic. Okay. So I'm going to ask you this right now. When we're talking about trading psychology, are you looking for, I'm going to give you some examples. Are you looking for position sizing? Are you looking for trade management? Are you looking for like how to deal with losing streaks? What specifically are you looking for in trading psychology? Because it's a very big topic. So this is what I'm going to ask you right now. Okay. I'm going to end the broadcast right now. And I need you to comment below what specifically in the trading psychology do you want to see? What specifically? So is it the sizing? Is it the winning losing streak? Is it the trade management? Is it, I don't know. Is it you've seen too many of J-Lo's bottoms on the screen and now you're scarred? That's totally fine too. I could try to help you out with that. All right. So let me know. All right, I'm going to end the broadcast right now. Thank you very much. Don't forget to comment. Let's get it done. Okay, take care.